Top signs of liver health. So, the liver is your body's filter, but what happens when that filter gets clogged? The liver processes over 500 vital functions daily. So, it's estimated 1 in 4 people globally have non alcoholic fatty liver disease and don't even know it. Hi, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say I went to school so you don't have to, combining science with spirit. And I just want to let you know that your liver may be talking to you. Symptoms like skin issues, poor digestion, and mood swings may all be traced back to liver congestion. So, top liver health symptoms include headaches, skin rashes, nausea, irritability, and sluggish mornings. And so, how does the liver become overloaded? Mainly nutrient depletion. So, when you don't have enough B vitamins, magnesium, glutathione, methionine, and amino acids, the liver doesn't have the nutrients it needs in order to fully function. And then you have environmental factors such as the air pollution, processed foods, alcohol, even pharmaceuticals can bioaccumulate within that tissue. And if you don't have the energy to push it out, guess what? Your liver is going to hold on to it. So, 3 things to remove this week would be hydrogenated oils, so your seed oils, scented candles as well, really toxic for your environment, and plastic water bottles. Is that the cure? Absolutely not. But it's definitely a little bit that you can do just proactively in order for you to begin to pay attention to your liver health. So if you want to learn more about detoxification and elimination, please check out our Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, all about detoxification and elimination. It's a 12-week course designed to teach you from the beginning how to properly detoxify your liver. So if you're interested in learning more about your liver health, please like, share, comment, subscribe for more, and check the link in the bio.